In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly AI features explained. We'll start on the Formly website. After logging in, head to the dashboard and click Create Form. Formly includes several AI tools that can help speed up form creation, improve your wording, translate forms, apply branding, and even analyze responses. So this walkthrough is really about seeing how those features work in a practical way. First, choose Create with AI. In the prompt box, enter a simple description of the form you want to build, like a customer feedback survey for an online store, and let Formly generate it. What's useful here is that the AI can create the structure, suggest questions, and even build some of the logic for you. Once the form is generated, give it a name and review everything carefully. Go through the questions, edit anything that doesn't fit, remove unnecessary items, and add anything important that may be missing. AI can save a lot of time, but you still want to review the content before publishing. Next, open the logic settings and look at any conditional logic or branching the AI created. This shows how one answer can control which question appears next. It's a good example of how Formly AI goes beyond basic question writing and can help create more personalized flows. Now let's look at AI form import. Start another form or return to the AI creation area, then paste in a list of existing questions and answer choices. Formly can convert that content into a structured form, which is especially helpful if you already have your questions prepared and just want to avoid building each field manually. You can also improve question wording with AI content optimization. Open an existing question, use the optimization feature, and ask the AI to rewrite it more clearly. Then compare the original version with the improved one. This is designed to make questions easier for respondents to understand. At this point, if you want to try these features yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. Now let's keep going. Open a completed form and access the AI translation feature. Choose another language, generate the translated version, and review the results before using it. Formly supports translation into more than 25 languages, but it's always smart to double-check accuracy. From there, open the branding or design settings, add your logo and colors, and let the AI apply those brand elements to the form so the design stays visually consistent. You can also create dynamic ending screens for quizzes, assessments, or personalized forms. Set up different outcomes, then show how answers or scores determine which ending screen a respondent sees. For personality quizzes, you can go back to Create Form, choose Create with AI, enter a prompt for the quiz, and let Formly generate the questions, logic, scoring, variables, and result mapping. After that, submit several sample responses and open the results section. Review the analytics and